My name is Adam. This is Tenacious Agrarian's farm, and we are a market farm. We do a CSA, farmers market, and wholesale. We're in Hickory, North Carolina. We do diverse vegetables, so we grow between 35 and 40 different types of crops. We have small fruit, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, and then we also do cut flowers. We do produce organically, and we are in the process of going through that transition process to be certified. We already produce that way, and so I think it was just a matter of uh, the that l- having that status, and there's a very widely recognized logo, and I think it would be helpful for us in terms of our marketing and our ability to encourage consumers to buy products, and especially when I go into like restaurants and wholesale, being able to say we are certified, give individuals reassurance that we are adhering to certain standards. Right now, I think we're still in the very beginning stages of it, but right now it's just there's all different kinds of certifiers, and those certifiers have different processes. So that seems to be something, not necessarily a challenge, but something you just have to be aware of. Um, you want to make sure you pick the right certifier that you can work with, because in the end, from what I understand, it's a personal relationship between you and the certifier. So you want to make sure you have a good relationship, and so. But you got but like finding a certifier and then all the paperwork and then making sure that you keep all your records. Um, so yeah, I think a lot of it, but because we are in the beginning of it, I can't really speak a whole lot to the challenges. I think that sometimes it's hard to remember to write everything down, but you have to. So you just saw an advertisement for the mentorship program. It may have been even through Carolina Farm Stewardship Association, and I think it had a list of all the mentors, and Charlotte was on that. And previous to this career, I was an extension agent for Catawba County, and so um, I knew Shiloh from that position, and I knew of her reputation and her success as a small farm. And so when I saw that, I thought, well, this is my opportunity to actually get to work with someone like that. And so I applied, and it's through the Southeast TOPP program, and they connected the two of us. And right now, she came out here once, and we had a good conversation, but right now it's just primarily phone conversations, and she's just helping me get through the paperwork, and eventually we'll do like a mock audit and things like that, but that will be something after peak season's over, we can kind of work towards getting more of that done.